Guys, welcome back to Very Beautiful. Today I'm going to be reviewing the hair brand Moerie, and they sent over their luxury set for me to try out and review for you all, so I want to put that out there. And that includes their shampoo, conditioner, repairing hair mask, ultimate growth spray, 24 karat plated brush, and a disinfectant, just because, you know, everybody can use disinfectant right now. And it does have 2 shampoos. The main point of their products is that they contain Fulvic minerals, 77 minerals to be exact, 5 vitamins, 18 amino acids, and that is supposed to help with hair growth and just a healthy scalp. It's very natural. It does not contain parabens, fragrance, it's cruelty-free, silicones, SLS, GMO. It's all free of all of those ingredients. The fragrance that it does have is a natural fragrance from orange essential oil, and it smells so good. The Moerie website will be down below in the description box if you want to check it out, and you can pick up any of their products there. I have a link below and a code, so look at that in the description as well if you're interested in buying them. On the shampoo and conditioner first, just because I feel like that's like the bread and butter of any hairline, and I loved both of them. The shampoo is a little bit thicker than what I'm used to for a shampoo, as far as like having like some oil content in there, but it left my hair feeling super moisturized, and I think it's great for anybody who wants like smoother strands, especially if you're like me and you have some strands that are, the actual strand is thicker and coarser, so it might not feel smooth to the touch. I feel like my hair is a little bit less frizzier after shampooing. Like, I didn't get that feeling of it feeling stripped when I was washing out my shampoo, but it felt moisturized and still clean. The conditioner has a ton of slip, so it's really good for curly hair. It was great for detangling. At first I thought it just looked kind of like a conditioner, but then I put it in and it actually moisturized my hair really well. I have been using the repairing hair mask on my ends every time, so like I might use this, leave it in, and then like go do the rest of my shower, shave, whatever, then wash it out and then use the conditioner on the rest of my hair. The times that I use the mask like on all of my hair, I make sure that I'm having it in for like a good 5 to 10 minutes and then I wash it out. I actually tried, while my hair's in braids right now, is I put the mask throughout all of my hair last night when I took a shower, and then I put it in braids in the shower and let it dry this way, because I want to see if I can get my hair to be like looser curls. So if you're wondering why my hair's in braids, that's why. And speaking of looser curls, if you did want to get looser curls and brush them out, the brush is really good for that. It is good at detangling without leaving your hair feeling really rough, and I really didn't feel like I had that much hair come out when I was using it, so I feel like it's doing a pretty good job of not messing up my hair, which is pretty good for a boar bristle brush, because I don't really use them as often since I have curly hair, but it felt good, like the little nylon pieces on my scalp when I was using it. It does make your hair kind of puffy, so I would probably use it if you have a smoother hair texture than me, like a looser curl, or if you wanted to straighten your hair, I would say that it would be really good for that too, just to get all of the tangles out, or even dyeing your hair, because when I dye my hair I have to brush everything out and get it big and poofy. Just so the ultimate growth spray, and the reason why I left this last is because 2 weeks is not enough time for me to tell you if the growth spray has worked, so I'm just gonna say how I feel it feels on my scalp, which is it feels a little bit tingly, it smells good. This is the one product that it doesn't smell like orange to me, it actually smells like ginger, so that's the only thing that smells different on this line. And it does feel tingly, it doesn't feel like there's an oil or anything of the sort. It's just like, I don't know, like a toner it feels like when you put it on your scalp. You are supposed to spray it directly to your scalp, and I've been putting it here on my temples just to see if it could kind of fill in some areas that have always been a little bit more sparse than the rest of my hair. It's not necessarily hair loss for me, but I just noticed that it's thinner in those areas. So I was testing that out. I can update you guys in a few months, but just being realistic, like I can't give you like an honest opinion on that in like 2 weeks. I really do like this line, and they do have different packs. So this one was the luxury set, but they have different sets that have maybe just the shampoo and the conditioner and the hair mask, but you can look it up on their site. Let me know if you've used them before or if you're interested in the comments below and what you would like to see next in a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a great evening. Bye.